Good afternoon, class. I'm Professor Calliope Rowan. Welcome to Potions. Take a seat, please, and let's set up your workstation. I hope the essay we wrote on frog spawn last week was quite helpful in understanding how it works as an ingredient. Now, please begin setting up. Check the description box below for a list of ingredients and the vocabulary words with Muggle translations. The three potions we'll be making today are Fizzing Fairy Potion for the first years, Pinestrutionum Potion for the second years, and Rubra Portens Potion for the third years. We'll be using fairy dust, Mugwort Extract, Solution of Oricalcum, Wartcap Powder, Vinegar, Solution of Capitata Rubra, and liquid saponin. We'll be making a mixed set of free potions today as we have many students with differing levels of skill. Each of these potions will be used by your other professors in Care of Magical Creatures and Herbology. We will briefly review the Muggle names of the ingredients at the workstation per potion, and the vocabulary words are also in the description box below. The names are also on the recipe cards at your workstations. We have a mixed class today of first, second and third year students, and each year we'll be making a progressively more advanced potion. To demonstrate, I will be making the potions in clear glass vessels, but you all will use a standard cauldron. Let's begin. First years, your attention please. The Muggle vocabulary for your potion is Wartcap Powder, also known as baking soda or bicarb. Mugwort Extract is red food dye. Solution of Orichalcum is yellow food dye. Vinegar is the same for Muggles and for Wizards. And this fairy dust is glitter. Now for the Fizzing Fairy Potion, combine in the cauldron your sprinkling of fairy dust, one drop Mugwort Extract, three drops Solution of Orichalcum, one tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon Wartcap Powder. Do be careful with the fairy dust, it gets everywhere. If the potion fizzes, you've made a successful Fizzing Fairy Potion. This can be used in Care of Magical Creatures as a fairy tonic to combat wing scale, and can be used to repel imps from fairy habitats such as the garden. Second years, now it's your turn. We'll be making Pinestrutionum, and it's for hippogriff feather cleansing. With additional Wartcap powder, it can also be used as a scrub for talons that have dry rot, but please keep in mind that hippogriffs do not like their talons scrubbed, so it's best to leave such a task to a certified Care of Magical Creatures specialist. Now, second years, here are your Muggle vocabulary words. Take notes, it's also on that recipe card. Wartcap powder is baking soda or bicarb. Liquid saponin is liquid dish soap. And vinegar is the same for both of our communities. To make this potion, combine in the cauldron 1 tablespoon liquid saponin, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon Wartcap powder. I have additional in this glass in the event we wish to make the stronger Pinestrutionum for the talon cleansing. This will fizz significantly, so having a dish below to catch the overflow is wise. Now, as you're adding this Wartcap powder, this will fizz quite a lot, but it is also important to stir this with our unicorn infused stirring rod to ensure that all The ingredients are fully combined. Look at that, an excellent, successful potion. Third year students, please step up. You'll notice that I've prepared our solution of Capitata rubra ahead of time to keep us on schedule. To prepare it, I used 1 steaming kettle full of hot water and a roughly chopped Capitata rubra. I combined the two and allowed to soak for 1 hour, straining the liquid for class use today. This liquid, if kept chilled, can be used for several days. Now, I did make a class-sized portion. We only need 2 cups, 1 for each variation of our potion. Your Muggle vocabulary words are Capitata rubra, also known as red cabbage. Vinegar is the same for both communities. And Wartcap powder is baking soda or bicarb. This potion, the rubra portends, has several uses in herbology. This potion is useful for testing the soil to see what type of herbs and plants are suitable for growing in it. Additionally, it can be used in care of magical creatures as a flobberworm tonic if they become ill or listless. We will be primarily concentrating on the herbology applications today, but don't be surprised if it appears in other classes. There are 2 incantations, each with its own purpose. To test for acidity, circle the cauldron 3 times clockwise with your wand and say, Acidum deprehendatur, and add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Bright pink indicates it's working. To test for alkaline properties, circle the cauldron 3 times counterclockwise with your wand and say, Alkalus deprehendatur, and add 1 tablespoon Wartcap powder. Your herbology professor will go more in depth with you about which plants are suited for which environment best. You'll see today that we have 2 smaller cauldrons, 1 for each variation of our potion. Let's begin with the Acidum deprehendatur mixture. You will add 1 cup of solution of Capitata rubra to the cauldron. Take your wands, say Acidum deprehendatur, and now we add our vinegar. Look at that gorgeous pink. It worked, excellent. And now on to the other cauldron. And now for our second cauldron, please pour 1 cup of the solution of Capitata rubra into our secondary cauldron. Now remember, this is counterclockwise, alkalus deprehendatur. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, alkalus deprehendatur. And now we're going to add our Wartcap powder. It's turning a gorgeous inky blue. Now be sure to stir this one with the unicorn hair stirring rod until fully combined, as Wartcap powder occasionally does not want to combine fully. Excellent. Well done, class. That's all we have for today. Please join us next week for another exciting program here on the Fort Worth Library YouTube channel. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you next time.